Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2017 Kawasaki Vulcan S with ABS brakes, 650 cc's, fuel injected, liquid cooled. This really cool mid-weight cruiser just arrived with only 3,400 miles. I love this paint scheme. Two-tone black and red, 6-speed. This bike also has the Ergo Fit, where you can adjust the fitting of the seat and foot pegs and handlebars. Beautiful condition, very low miles. Come on by, make your Vulcan S dreams come true for just $69.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.